Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told the class president chose 200 students at random from each of the junior and senior classes at her high school. Each student was asked how many hours of homework he or she completed in an average school night, and the results are shown in this table right here. There are a total of 600 students in the junior class and 400 students in the senior class. We're asked, based off the survey data, which of the following statements accurately compares the expected total number of members of each class who completed 4 hours of homework. So for 4 hours of homework, that's this row right here, right? 4 hours. And we have 35 in the junior class and 35 in the senior class. So these are both out of 200 students each. So in the junior class, we have 35 out of 200 people are going to be studying 4 hours or completing 4 hours of homework. So if we actually have 600 students in the junior class, right, then we multiply this number by 600. This is the proportion that completed 4 hours of homework, and this is the number. So we multiply this number by this fraction. This fraction is equal to roughly 17%. So we're basically multiplying 600 by 17%. So we have 35 times 600 divided by 200, and this is 105. We do a similar thing. There's also 35 out of 200 for the senior class. In this case, there's only 400. 35 over 200 times 400 is 70. So in the junior class, there's 105 students who complete the amount of homework. In the senior class, there's 70. So the junior class has 105 minus 70. It has 35 more than the senior class. This means A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.